Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can show this PC or my computer icon on the Windows 10 desktop. And so for that, we will just be following some very simple steps. So please do finish watching this video till the very end. So the first thing we need to do is to go to this desktop and then just please make a right click. You will get this personalized options. So please make a click on that, and in the right section you will get this themes option here, install, create, and manage. So once you click on this one, you will get a new window. So here, just scroll down and under related settings you will get this desktop icon settings. So please make a click on that, and then you will get this desktop icon settings window. All you need to do is just to check the computer option here in the desktop icons, and then once you click on this one, all you need to do is just to click also this PC option. And then once you have done that, just please click on apply and then click on OK, and then just close this window, make a quick refresh, and you will be getting now this PC option or icon here in our desktop. Okay, so that's it. That's a very simple and easy process, and if you found that helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.